Okay guys, let's clean the bike and join the Factor Independence group ride. Tama-tama, I've been riding this road bike lately kasi ang next event natin, God willing, is the Clark Grand Fondo. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, lagi akong naka-road bike ngayon. Good morning guys. We are here at BGC and we are joining the Independence Ride of Factor Philippines. Merong community ride. So sama tayo sa kanila. Bali ang meetup is Julia Vargas. And then we will go to Hermosa. Tapos balik dito sa BGC. Miisip ko, hindi na ako pupunta ng Julia Vargas. Dito na ako maghihintay. Somewhere at C5 siguro. I know the jersey, I know the bike. Kamusta na po?
We have an event called the Independence Day.
Yeah.
We're gonna ride from here to UP Diliman.
Ah, you're going to UP po?
Yeah.
I'm joining the
Cycling
Independence
fest is in
Ride
the
of
house.
Factor. So
Oh.
may community ride yung Factor.
Is that so? Well, our meeting is just here in front of the ISM, the International School.
Good to know and good to see you.
I see you in the videos. I still see you online, brother. Don't know it, but I do watch your show.
Actually, I'm on the parking and then I hear your voice. You're talking to the phone. Alam ko, the voice is familiar.
You serious?
Yeah!
By the way, did you know Jeno called me the other day?
Hindi pa kami nagkausap. Actually,
Kaliwa tayo, kaliwa tayo.
dito ako sa may Petron, Kinley. Bali, dito na ako maghihintay. Nakakatuwa, ang dami kong nakikita, ang daming nagra-ride ngayon. Siyempre, unang-una, holiday, tapos Independence Day pa. Okay guys, my queue is here. Nandito na yung mga galing ng Julia Vargas. By the way guys, this ride is a no-drop ride. Ibig sabihin, kumapit ka kung makakakapit ka kasi maaari ka pa rin ma-drop. So hopefully, maging pabor sa'yo yung mga traffic lights. Ted!
Nakita mo yung mall, right? Tabermosa na yun.
Okay.
Lep!
Ew!
Lep, isa mo!
Ew!
Saan? Saan pupunta?
Kasama sa kanila.
Saan?
Punta kami Bermosa.
Sa Bermosa lang din?
Oo.
Tarik pala nun. Yaki, yaki.
Nakita mo paano ka daanan.
Refill tayo Petron.
Petron dito sa Daang Hari.
Coffee bean. Kada sumunod nga.
Okay guys, napagkasundo na ng grupo na dito na kami magkakape at magbe-breakfast sa Vermosa bago kami bumalik papuntang BGC. Buti na lang na-accommodate kami ng coffee shop. Malaki-laki yung coffee shop dito sa Vermosa kasi we are 44 o mahigit pa yata na factor owners na dumalo sa group ride na ito. I think this is the largest na group ride na ginawa namin dito sa Pilipinas. National champion pa yung may dala ng kami nyo. Oy! Oy! National champion pa yung may dala ng kape, oh! Okay guys, thank you for the breakfast galing kay Factor Philippines. At this moment, magkakanya-kanya na kaming biyahe. Yung iba kasi may iwan na dito sa Vermosa. Yung iba naman, kakalas na sa may Alabang. Yung iba naman, along the way. Pero we will still try to ride together. Pero hindi may iwasan na mag-iiba-iba na yung pacing yan kasi pauwi
Let's
na.
go. Yeah. Like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
BGC. The ride is almost done. Ano, bikes and coffee. Ingat. Okay. Nice ride. I'm back at the parking. Okay, dito tayo sa parking. Thank you very much, Factor Philippines. Thank you, CF Cycling Performance, Pedalane PH. Also Pau Bicycle Shop, no, nandito sila. Saka sa lahat ng mga dealers ng Factor. Shoutout sa inyo lahat, sa lahat ng mga Factor owners na sumama dito sa hinos ng Factor Philippines na Independence Day Ride. Salamat sa pakape, sa breakfast, salamat sa maayos at magandang group ride ngayon kasi no drop ride. Although pa uwi medyo tumulin din ng konti, pero given na yon. Ang maganda, mas marami tayong nakuha ng video kasi mas close at tight ang group at mas maraming sumama dito sa group ride na to. Yon, maraming salamat again, Factor Philippines. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. At kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe at my YouTube channel. Ride safe, stay healthy. God bless you all. Cycling Chef po.